The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey Black Box, Paul Akers. So I've been watching your video. Tom's been sending them to me and Peter, and I'm absolutely blown away by what you're all accomplishing. You absolutely get it. The best thing is your spirit. Definitely a spirit of openness and wanting to understand this whole concept of small improvements every day, just small little 2-second improvements, just things that make your life better. Because that's really what we're trying to do here. We're not trying to make more money for the company. We're really just trying to improve the quality of life, and particularly the quality of work. We all spend a lot of time every day working. Why not have work more enjoyable? Why struggle with all those processes that we have become comfortable with the dysfunction of? So we're simply saying we're not comfortable with dysfunction anymore, and we're gonna fix this stuff. And we're gonna enjoy our work every day just a little bit better. The net result of that is work becomes easier, there's less friction, you're gonna enjoy your work more, you're gonna become more productive, your customers are gonna sense that, your customers internally, the people you work with are gonna sense that you're less frustrated, you're communicating better, there's greater clarity in everything you're doing. When you go to do a process, it's clear what you're supposed to do instead of the ambiguity that's normally surrounded by most processes. That's really what we're trying to do. We're trying to make life better for you and for everyone you work with on a daily basis. And the result of that is the company does better, you do better, the customer wins, everyone wins when we do this.
This is our main gym area. This is where all the personal training happens.
Completely and totally inspired by what I've seen. You guys rock. I can't wait to come see you. And best of all, Ireland is amazing because the people in Ireland, I've noticed and I've observed, are more open. Believe it or not, you guys are more open. You guys are really, your brain is working at a different level than most people that I've ever encountered. The Irish revolution of 2-second lean is unprecedented. And I'm just so happy for all the work that Peter and you and Tom are all doing together. On top of all that, you got a fabulous coach with Tom. He wants to empower you. He wants you to become more independent. He's got a smiling face. I love Tom. I talk to Tom almost every day. And, you know, he's just a positive spirit. And this is what you need in 2-second lean. You need somebody who just believes in the potential of every human being. You guys got it all going on. Keep rocking. I can't wait to see more videos. Thanks a lot.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.